And a special thanks and shout out to Community Chrysler, Dodge, Jeep, and Ram of Bloomington, Indiana for allowing me to come out and film this 2018 Jeep Grand Cherokee Sterling Edition. Hello everyone. Today, let's take a detailed, in-depth walk-around look at this brand new 2018 Jeep Grand Cherokee. And this Grand Cherokee is the limited availability Sterling Edition, celebrating 25 years of the Grand Cherokee nameplate, and it features unique 20-inch heritage wheels, platinum chrome exterior trim, and unique interior treatments. This Grand Cherokee Sterling Edition is shown painted in bright white clear coat and features a black leather interior with genuine aluminum accents. And the Grand Cherokee is four-wheel drive, and it utilizes a Quadra-Track 2 four-wheel drive system with the Select Train terrain management system. Off-road data for the Sterling Edition it features a 8.6-inch ground clearance with a 114-inch wheelbase. Approach angle is 26.2 degrees with a departure angle of 24 degrees and a ramp breakover angle of 19 degrees. Power comes from the 3.6-liter dual overhead cam 24-valve variable valve timing Pentastar V6 engine. It creates 295 horsepower at 6,400 RPM, 260 pound-feet of torque at 4,000 RPM. It is good for 0 to 60 miles per hour in 7.6 seconds, with a quarter-mile time of 15.4 seconds at 90 miles per hour. Top speed is electronically limited to 115 miles per hour. Towing capacity is a max of 6,200 pounds with a max payload of 1,380 pounds. Fuel capacity is 24.6 gallons with an EPA rating of 18 city, 25 highway, a combined rating of 21 miles per gallon. The Grand Cherokee does consume 4.8 gallons per 100 miles driven. Transmission on the Sterling Edition is the ZF Source 8-speed 8 HP 45 or the 845 RE automatic with manual shift modes via the lever. Alright, take a look around the rear. The rear of the Grand Cherokee does feature the rear parking sensors, dual tip exhaust. You've also got LED tail lamps with incandescent turn indicators, the platinum chrome exterior trim around the backup lamps. Down below you have a light charcoal gray accent framing the exhaust tips, and you do have the trailer tow group. You also have 4 and 7 pin wiring. And along the profile you do have body side wheelhouse moldings, as well as a charcoal black lower cladding, the unique wheels. And steering on the Grand Cherokee is variable rate power assisted rack and pinion. Wheels are the unique to the Sterling Edition 20-inch heritage painted and polished aluminum wheels. Tires are Bridgestone Ecopia HL422 tires that measure 265/50 R20. Brakes are four-wheel vented disc brakes with ABS, traction and stability control, anti-roll mitigation, and trailer anti-sway controls. The brakes can bring the Grand Cherokee from 70 miles per hour to 0 in 198 feet. And taking a look around the front of the vehicle. This Grand Cherokee does feature just a standard halogen projector beam headlamps with blacked out bezels. You've also got the gloss black grille treatments with the platinum chrome accents, platinum chrome bezels around the projector fog lamps, charcoal metallic lower cladding, and down below the platinum chrome tow hooks. This vehicle is equipped with remote start. To operate is simple, just double press the remote start button on the key fob. And locking and unlocking the vehicle is easy with Chrysler's keyless enter and go smart key access system. By keeping the key fob in your purse or pocket, you're able to lock and unlock the vehicle. To lock, simply locate the black button on the door handle and press. The horn will chirp and the vehicle will lock. To unlock, simply grab the handle as you would open it. And inside, nice attention to detail with the dark wood trim and the liquid chrome or the platinum chrome trim, as well as aluminum accents, chrome accented door handles. You do have power heated, power assisted mirrors with LED turn repeaters, as well as blind spot monitors. Of course, you also have power windows and power door locks, 2 driver memory, molded map pockets. You've also got the 9-speaker Alpine audio system with a 506 watt amplifier. Satin silver Jeep tread plate, 8-way power driver's seat with 4-way adjustable lumbar support. And on the dash, you do have automatic headlamp control, fog lamp control, instrument panel dim, and your fuel door release, as well as a driver's side knee airbag, tilt and telescope leather wrapped steering wheel. And the seats are unique to the Heritage. They are black leather with black accent stitching and unique perforations and stitch patterns. And pan through the interior and show a little more details. As you can see here, nice fluid power assisted steering. You have the platinum accents on the steering wheel, as well as your multi-view controls, Bluetooth Uconnect controls, and cruise controls mounted conveniently on the steering wheel. On the back side are the radio controls. And you do have the reconfigurable multi-view display. Features a reconfigurable instrument cluster, easy to read graphics, and moving over the top of the dash, you do have the stitched leather look. Satin aluminum trim with platinum accents, push button start, Uconnect's 8.4-inch touchscreen display. This vehicle does feature Sirius XM satellite radio, multiple media controls with auxiliary input, USB, and Bluetooth, dual zone automatic climate control with heated seats and heated steering wheel, various Uconnect apps. The screen does support swipe and pinch to zoom, and you've also got off-road pages. Shows various different vehicle dynamics for off-road driving, including steering angle, as well as suspension geometry and transfer case status. You've also got your pitch and roll angles, as well as comprehensive accessory gauges, and the status of your select terrain system. As stated before, heated seats, heated steering wheel, and of course, Garmin-based navigation. Uconnect phone controls, very easy to use and very easy to pair. Alright, moving down. Redundant controls for audio and climate controls, as well as front and rear heaters for the defroster. And placing the vehicle in reverse does activate the park view backup camera with active guidance lines, and it does work in conjunction with the ParkSense rear parking sensors. You have your ParkSense power switch, your auto start stop, eco mode, and sport mode, as well as Uconnect inputs down below. Dual front illuminated cup holders, your select terrain management controllers with 4-wheel drive low and hill descent control. And you have 2-level storage in the center armrest. It is illuminated and does feature a 12-volt power point. The interior of this Grand Cherokee is all black. It does not have the light stone upper portion. You do have an automatic dimming rearview mirror with SOS and Uconnect overhead illumination, feature map lights and individual reading lights, as well as your power liftgate release, sunroof controls, 3-channel Home League universal garage door opener, and sunglasses holder. Black padded sun visors with illuminated vanity mirrors, and the visors do slide out. Overhead, you do have dampened overhead assist handles. Alright, let's take a look at the rear seat. The rear seat does feature nice wide opening doors. The rear door trim carries the same theme as the front with the stitch accents, the wood trim, the aluminum accents, as well as the platinum accents. And the rear seats do seat 3 across. They are a 60-40 split folding seat with reclining seat backs. And the rear seats also carry the unique stitch pattern and the perforations. Center armrest does fold down. You do have integrated cup holders. And that tether there is to secure the armrest in the event that you have a child seat in the middle of the seat. Overhead, you do have map lights, coat hooks, seat back map pockets with grocery hooks and integrated, twin air vents with panel distribution lever. You also got your 2 USB charge ports. The outboard seats are 2-stage heated, and there's also a household style AC outlet. Say before the seat back map pockets. Alright, folding the seats is very easy. Just lift up with a lever, and the seat pretty much does the rest for you. It does load flat, almost level with the cargo load floor, which is very convenient, and features easy access to the rear luggage compartment. Luggage area is easy. You can be done in one of three ways: pressing this button in the overhead console, the key fob, or the actual membrane switch in the lift gate. Lift over height for the Grand Cherokee is 32.4 inches. The luggage area is very nice and spacious. It is a load flat floor with minimal wheelhouse intrusion. You do have 4 tie-down hooks, grocery bag hooks, as well as a 12-volt power point. Speaker and amplifier for the Alpine audio system. Gone is the rechargeable flashlight. Underneath the floor, you do have full-size spare tire with jack and tools and compartmentalized storage. Cargo capacity with the rear seats up is 36.3 cubic feet. Folding the rear seats expands that cargo capacity to 68.3 cubic feet. As you can see, it's a nice load floor. It is flat and even with the seats. Fully carpeted. Closing the liftgate is easy, just pressing the button in the trim panel. Alright, and this does conclude our in-depth walk-around look at the 2018 Jeep Grand Cherokee Sterling Edition. We hope the review was informative, and as always, thanks for watching, and don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe.